This is the next video. It's called Fishing in Your House Part 2. That's nice. Let's go. He has 2 minutes and we'll be switching. Oh, so close. He sucks. No good. On, let's go. Yes, does he make a bite? No, no. He's got something, looks like a baby. No, it's a keeper. I think that's a keeper. That's a keeper. That's a keep. Let's go. But that's back. Now we gotta measure it to see if it's over 8 inches. Is it good? Yes. Let's go. Put it down. No, no, no. You gotta put it down. Look at that beauty. Nah, that's nice. One more catch. Yes. You got some. Yes. It's 2 in 1. That's a doubler. Let's go. After this, now we'll be switching. We'll be switching. Okay, let's see if these are good. Okay, we got... that's good. And... that's good. Let's see. Let's go. Let's go. One more catch. Almost. Let's go. It's a make. It's a catch. That's a keeper. Now it's my turn. We'll be switching over. Looks like it's in there pretty deep. 1 second. We'll be right back after these very own messages. We're back after these messages. These will be good. Let's see. It's a keeper. Okay, now it's my turn. Let's go. Hold on. One more cast. That's all. One more, he says. Good. It's a keeper. Oh. Perfect. It's in there pretty deep. We'll be right back after these video messages from Johnny G. This is in there pretty deep. 1 second. Let's enjoy this. Thank you. And that's a big one. That's a keeper. We're back. You like that, Paul? It's nice. Dude, stop doing it. Oh, it's in the basket. See if he caught it. Oh! That's a keeper. Let's see how much we caught already today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 so far. We'll be right back after these own messages. And we're back. That is a keeper. So that's 7 fish so far. See, Moss, we're gonna catch. We're good. Goodbye. Thanks for watching.